Right, and here comes another one to investigate. You'll see him coming from the Ponta mountains at the top here. So he drops down and he scoots all the way along the bottom, and he increases his altitude as he gets to the drone. So maybe you can see him there underneath my cursor. So if you can just watch him now move. I'm going to go back one frame, forward a frame, forward another frame. There he is there at the bottom, over there. But he comes more. We get him another time. So all in all, I think we get him in 3 frames. 1. So as he comes in there, so just look there. So 1, 2, and 3. There he is there. Look at this guy. What do you think about that?